In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change loot box in COD. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have killed specific players in COD, you might have noticed that their loot box was different. So you are curious on how you can customize your own loot box. Well, the loot box customization is actually attributed to specific characters. So in short, when you have specific character skins equipped, legendary and mythic ones, your loot box appearance might also change. So an example here would be Dark Nikto. You can notice that one of the features here listed is blinked out even in death. This means that when you die and you have that skin equipped, a special red and black loot box will appear instead of the usual colored one. So as it stands today, in order to customize the loot box skin in Call of Duty Mobile, what you have to do is equip different skins. Another example would be this one. So also included with legendary or mythic skins. As long as you have a particular skin, it is equipped, you will see the option to have a custom loot box attributed to your character. It is simple to do and usually it is automatic. So just equip the proper character skin, and when you eliminate someone who has a skin or you are eliminated while having this skin equipped, you will see the custom loot box drop instead of the usual colored green one. I'm not sure if there are any ways to acquire these loot boxes besides paid skins, but regardless, this is going to be the main method of acquiring loot boxes that are customized in Call of Duty Mobile. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to change the loot box skin in Call of Duty Mobile, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.